Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Dramabox. First, open your Dramabox app on your iPhone. Look for the profile or me icon usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. In your profile menu, tap settings. After that, look for the language, app language or language setting. Then tap it. You will see a list of available language. Tap the language you want. The app may change the language right away. If not, close the Dramabox and reopen it. Some version of Dramabox follow the phone system language. For that, go to the setting, tap on Dramabox, tap on language then. After that, choose your preferred language, then reopen the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.